Hey everybody, this is Apostle Adrena Lee, and I want to say welcome to my channel, Kingdom Woman. Yeah, I think it's so important that women of God, women who love the Lord, women who trying to live out the word, live out the scriptures, live holy, but still like to be classy, still like to be feminine and womanly, that you can be all of that and still love the Lord too. Okay, so I am doing a first impressions tonight of this wig. It is called, let's see what we can find the name of it. It's called Jodi. We are checking out this wig called Jodi. So it come in a pack. However, I got it like this. So we're going to check it out and see what it looks like. Again, this is just a first impressions wig. I make no claims to be a makeup artist. I make no claims to be a perfectionist or anything like that. But we're going to do this in real time, and I'm still going to keep this video under 10 minutes. That's my goal. Okay, so I'm just taking it out of its package. Now, when I ordered this, I was unaware that it was a lace front wig. Lace front wig. So I'm going to show you guys the inside, show you what it looked like. Of course, it got those wonderful comb attachments in there. This is the front. You see you got two attachments in the front. And you got one at the bottom. So it's a cute little curly bob. I don't particularly care for lace fronts, but we're going to see what we can do with this right here. Yeah, I can't never get a perfected look. I can't never get a look that I really enjoy, that I like. It doesn't really seem to look natural enough for me. I have them from every budget. I have them, but you know, even if I get them to look good today, that's only going to last, you know, a day or so. So I'm just going to start cutting around this lace. Cut the lace off. All right, beautiful people. So my lace is gone. My lace is gone. I've been a master cosmetologist for almost 15 years, but me and lace fronts, we're not friends like that. I can't never get them. So I got the lace off. I've tightened my wig in the back. You'll notice those little fasteners that you can fasten in the back. Done that to tighten them. So let's see what it looks like. Again, this is a first impression, so I'm not gonna do, you know, a lot of tweaking. This is what you're gonna be dealing with straight out of the bag. Okay, so I'm gonna take my glasses off, and we'll just it combs good, it feels good. I like the texture of the hair. It's wonderful. And I'm just gonna put it right behind the ear. Now I'm sure I will go into this part and pluck it a little more, but it is a wear ready type of wig that you can pull right out of the bag. All right, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. and I'll see you on my next one. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any videos of Kingdom Woman. All right, see you later.